Motherfucker, you already know I'm finna slide on this motherfucker. Cooking loaded baked potatoes while I'm long, bitch. Got the fire in the kitchen, watch flavors, hold it. Watch them make them right, and I'm time for the ride. Prep that shrimp, marinade, yeah, I'm cooking hot. Boil the broccoli, keep it fresh like a G. Double back, fry the shrimp, crispy as can be. Add the parmesan sauce, drippin' looking nice. Bitches in the kitchen saying, damn, that's precise. Mix it up, let it simmer. Feel that heat from the pot, whip it all up. Gangsta style, serve it hot on the spot. Load it up, lock it high. Taste the women's real. In the center, we ballin', that's culinary skill. Garlic parmesan swag, we flexin' on these bitches. Thug life in the kitchen, cooking all these riches. Loaded up with passion, ain't no time for haters. Shrimp, broccoli, potatoes, serve it up, no fakers. So when you hungry, know we got that 5 plate. Garlic, parmesan, broccoli, shrimp, it's a date, so don't be late. Loaded baked potatoes, that's how we do. In the kitchen hustling, shout out to my crew. The fuck, we just did that shit. Eat up, ho!